Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel and to Motivation Monday, here to get you motivated on this Monday morning. And today I'm going to show you a full house restock and reset that I really wanted to do today because we go on holiday next week and I just wanted to restock the house and get it all nice and ready for when we come back home basically. So I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to restock today. You've just seen me do the pasta jars and the tea, and now I'm just going to fill the sugar as well and all the other essential bits. Also going to fill my lovely egg container up with eggs, and obviously everything you see here is going to be eaten as well this week prior to the holiday, and if there's any bits left when we get home, then that's just a bonus, isn't it? I know I'm going to get questions about these fridge containers, so these ones here that you can see, the acrylic ones, are from Matalan. I highly recommend. Obviously I use them a lot, and this one here is from Amazon, but what I'll do is I will link all of the containers that I can, all of the storage bits and pieces, I will link in the description box below. Oh, I just love filling up these fruit trays, and the best thing about these ones, I actually found these in a hardware shop local to us called Proper Job, and I love them because they have holes in them so I can just wash the fruit from the tray, leave it to dry and pop it back in the fridge. So easy. I've also got this little Tupperware that I'm going to put the boys' melon slices into. It will just keep it much fresher for much longer. Now I'm just going to restock our fruit and veg basket. I'm just going to put some apples for Leo up in the top, and I'm going to restock these sweet potatoes as well because Cooper goes through so many sweet potatoes a week. He loves them. And I'm just going to keep the bananas separate in this little string bag. Okay, next up I'm going to restock the laundry essentials, starting with the stain powder. The washing tablets.
Tick-tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here.
The laundry scent boosters. I love these so much.
My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late.
And the softener, I'm also going to give my softener decanter a little bit of a wipe down as well because it can get a little bit sticky up at the top, so I'm just going to wipe that down.
Wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late. Now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding. I have scars, the ones that healing.
I'm also going to restock my dishwasher tablets into my beloved apothecary jar.
It's my fault, I messed it up, and I should have treated you much better. So much better.
Next I'm going to restock Cooper's little snack basket. Just put all of his favourite little snack bits in there. Perfect for when he's getting a bit grouchy and he needs a snack to cheer him up. I can just come and grab something.
I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you.
Next, I'm going to restock the flowers. I'm going to take out these flowers which are coming to the end of their little life now. I'm going to clean the vase with this flash spray which has bicarb of soda in it, and it's really good for getting rid of those watermarks. And I'm going to put in some fresh flowers. We don't go on holiday for another 6 days, so I will get nearly a full week out of these lovely tulips before we go away.
What I should do, I wish you.
Next up, I'm going to the boys' bathroom, well, all the bathrooms, and I'm going to restock the toilet papers, and I'm going to put a new toothpaste into Leo's toothpaste dispenser. This is so clever. If you haven't seen this before, you just pop their toothpaste in the top, and then they can push their toothbrush into the dispenser, and it gives a little pea-sized amount. I'm also going to fill up the boys' bath time bottles. So this one is full of the boys' baby shampoo. Well, I say baby shampoo, it's not always baby shampoo. It is this time. Even though Leo is 5, I still like to wash his hair with baby shampoo. I just think it leaves it so nice and soft. And I'm also going to fill up their other bottle, which has bath bubbles in it. These pump bottles were from Amazon. I will link them, but the labels I made myself using my Cricut machine.
Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for.
The next thing I want to do to reset the house is change all the bedding, but I actually changed my bedding on this bed last night. I just really wanted to get into bed to some clean sheets. I should have saved it for the video, but these are fresh sheets from last night. So I'm just going to make the bed, put the throw back on, put the cushions on, and I'm also going to put a little bit of fabric spray on there so that it smells really lovely and fresh when we get into bed this evening.
Say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't
go. Next up, it's Cooper's turn to have his sheets changed. This is definitely the easiest bed of the house to change the sheets. Just one sheet off and one sheet on, job done.
It's been so cold without you here. I'm not gonna lie, don't know what I'd do without you. Maybe we could try.
So if you're a subscriber, you'll know that we surprised Leo recently with this bunk bed, which he loves. I'm so glad we got it, but oh my gosh, it is such a nightmare to change the bedding. So here I am in action, up crouched on my son's bunk bed, trying to change his Spider-Man sheets, living a really glamorous life.
This way, I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know.
I basically just chuck it all down on the floor, change the bedding down on the floor, chuck it back up and make the bed. That is the best, most practical way to do it, basically.
Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go.
And the last thing I'm going to do, I love to do this, is I'm just going to give our sofas a little wipe down. Because these sofas are made of clever velvet, they are so easy to wipe and clean. I just use a normal cleaning wipe and just give it a good wipe all over. If I find any marks, I'll obviously work them out of the velvet, but I just give it all a really good wipe. It leaves it looking and smelling nice and fresh as well. So I'll do that to this chair, and then I'll also do it to the large sofa as well. And I'm going to wipe down this little tray because we keep our drinks on here when we're in here in the evening, and there's always watermarks on here, so it will not hurt to wipe it down. And of course I finish with my beloved fabric spray. But thank you for watching me restock and reset my house. I will see you in my next video, guys.